Welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today, everybody, we have Granny's Crockpot chuck roast, everybody. Yes, we showed you guys on the previous video how to make the wonderful gravy for our beautiful Crockpot chuck roast right here, everybody. Here's the ingredients, screenshot, snap. Okay, everybody. Okay, so what we do is we go ahead and we add in all of our wonderful things here, ingredients into the crock pot. The thing about the crock pot is that it can cook slowly, and we're going to cook this nice 4-pound chuck roast for 6 hours, everybody, on the medium. Okay, we have medium, high, and low. Now, if you want to cook it on high, your roast will be ready in about 4 hours if it's thawed completely out. Okay, everybody. Now, our meats are thawed out. You can do frozen, but instead, we're going to do ours for 6 hours. Now, after 6 hours, look at this. Look at the wonderful succulent juices that falls into the nice pot there that simmers for hours makes it so moist and juicy. Look at the knife, how it's just digging into the meat, everybody. Now we're going to shred this meat, and then we're going to take that juice out of the pot like we just did. We took the juice out, and we're going to go ahead and make gravy. But look at this. Right now we're going to shred it. Okay, we're going to pull it apart. Look at this. Isn't this wonderful, everybody? Just mouth-watering. Ladies, throw away those frozen meals and that fast food and make your man a nice hearty meal like this. Or, gentlemen, you can make this for your wonderful, significant, wonderful girlfriend, wife, whatever she may be. But if you want to keep her, this is what you're going to do. It's very simple. The crock pot does all the cooking for you. You ain't got to flip it over. You ain't got to open it up. You ain't got to do nothing to it. Just let it cook covered up for the 6 hours, everybody. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, I'm so excited. Look at that. Isn't that delicious looking, everybody? We are shredding it. We're taking our fork. As you see, we're not even using a knife right now. We're just using a fork, and we're going in here to tear apart the nice shredded pieces so it can just melt in your mouth, and your plate just sits there so beautifully and elegantly, and it just fills his belly. And it also helps stretch us out through the family, everybody. This is how we do it up in Granny's house here on Mama Soul Kitchen. I'm telling you, look at this. All of that has been shredded up. Here's that wonderful gravy. Go back and look at our gravy, Granny's Gravy's recipe, how we made that, okay? Now we're pouring it back into our wonderful shredded roast right here, everybody. Look at this. Look at it. You can just take a couple of pieces of bread and just make you some good old roast beef sandwiches and some cheese and call it a day, everybody. How about some birria tacos they be doing? Shoot. Ha! Birria tacos ain't got nothing on this. But let me show you how we're going to do this little prepping on the side. But look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? Now we're about to mix it up together. But this is how it is, everybody. Let the gravy just sit on it and just let it marinate into it like a good 10 minutes. And then we're going to go ahead and stir it up, everybody. Look at that. Just mouth-watering and flavorful. That's the thing about it. We're not adding just salt and pepper in this. That's embarrassing. But we're going to add flavor. This is called flavor, everybody. I'm so excited. Now, here we are. We're stirring it up. Yeah, look at that. Oh, look at the nice chunky, nice onion. And the gravy is just sucking into the bone, everybody. Just as wonderful. I'm so excited to share this with you. But yes, we're going to show you how we're going to prep these for freezing packaging for your nice freezer, for the nice pop-out meals when you're ready. So follow us on our YouTube for a lot more coming soon.